Alright, so let us continue now. We are going to say data is equal to sns.load underscore dataset, and this dataset will be the penguins, our beloved penguins, which we worked with before. Now let's see these penguins. As you can see now, we have a lot of nans. We have nans in the 6 label here. We have nans multiple places. As you can see, we have around 19 nans that we need to get rid of. Should we first encode those strings like the species and the island and the sex, or should we actually do something else first? First, we need to fill the nans whenever it is suitable. Okay, this is the first step. So let's take this bill length millimeter first. There is 2 ways to fill these nans. Either we fill them with zeros, or we can fill them with the mean value of all of these nans. Okay, let's do the first one. Let's fill them with the mean value, because it makes more sense to fill it with the mean value. If you fill it with 0, you are disregarding this whole entry. In some cases, it is useful to fill zeros, but at least in these kind of problems where we have measurement units, it's better to fill them with the mean. How can I fill them? Well, I'm going to create a list. Let's call it L. And I'm going to put all the things that I want to fill. So I have this one, bill length, I have bill depth, I have flipper length, and I have body mass. All of those are numerical and I would like to really fill them. Well, then I'm gonna just loop over them. So for label in L. Now it's time to do that. We're going to say data label, meaning that data, whatever label I am iterating on right now, is equal to data label. Then I'm gonna call the method which is called fill NA. What do I want to fill this NA with? Well, I would like to fill it with the mean of whatever column I have. So right now, let's say we started with bill length. I would like to take the mean value or the average value of all of this bill length and just fill the nans with it. So I'm going to say here data label dot mean. See what's going on here? I am taking this column, I'm taking its mean, and then I'm filling the whole column with it. Okay? And that's it. Now, if we print data at the end, we got a key error. Yeah, we have a space here. Let's remove it. And here we go. Now we don't have any nans around here. All of those now are just values. That's good. Now, we still have nans in this column right here. How should we deal with them?